Hello. I'm hoping to try this ASMR video. This will be my first one, and I'm sure I'll make a lot of mistakes. I wanted to make a speaking softly video first without any actual video footage. My favorite videos are from Gentle Whispering, and she has such a beautiful voice. She speaks softly. I really enjoy listening to it. I also enjoy her hand relaxation videos, her tapping videos, and some of her other videos as well. I love when she speaks Russian. And I am hoping to recreate some of those sounds for those who enjoy them. Right now you'll be hearing a lot of white noise from the AC, so I apologize if that's too loud. This really is a test, and I'll listen to it myself before I put it on.